mine looks like poop. This is just not a good view. Hey guys, welcome. You know, I probably shouldn't have did that while I'm driving because everybody's gonna be like, oh my god, you're gonna die. I'm still using my hand. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing my second vlog today. My first vlog, I had so much fun doing. It's when I went to the race with my boyfriend. If you did not see that vlog, I will leave the link down in my description box so you guys can check that one out. But this is my second vlog today. I had so much fun with the first one, so I'm just ready to do more and more and more. So today I'm going to be taking you guys shopping with me. And I'm not just going shopping anywhere. I'm going shopping at my favorite place, which is Ulta. I literally love Ulta so much. Even when I don't have money to shop, I just want to go in there just to look around and see what's going on. But today, your girl actually has some money. So I'm going to be taking you guys on a little shopping spree with me. I have a lot of stuff that I've been running out on as far as my makeup goes. So I need to restock on a lot. Also, I might even buy some new stuff that's out, just depending on what they got going on. I'm on the way to Greenville right now. That's the closest Ulta that I have from where I live. So I'm so excited to go. I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. Now, I'm not about to go in there and buy 1,000 things because, I mean, your girl got money, but not that much money. Like I said, I'm restocking. I might buy some new stuff. We'll just kind of see what happens when I get in there. So if you love shopping, and especially in Ulta like I do, then you're going to totally enjoy this Shop With Me vlog. So if you're interested, then just please continue watching. Alright guys, so I am back from my Ulta trip. Picked up and kept in my hand throughout the shopping trip, but I'm going to show you everything I actually purchased. So $91 later. It was actually like 100 and something, but I had 20% off coupon. Shout out to Ulta for always coming in clutch with the coupons. Shape Tape Concealer. I used to use this religious. Okay, so the first thing that I purchased in Ulta is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I used to use this religiously for the longest time when I first was doing my makeup and when this first came out. It's the only concealer I would use. And then I know you guys have seen me lately using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I love that one, but lately it's been just too thick for me. When it gets starts getting hot like it is right now, it's like 80 something degrees today, I don't really like anything thick on my face, and this I remember being a little bit more lightweight even though it's full coverage. This is an amazing, very good full coverage concealer. The shade I picked up is Light Sand. And also another reason I needed to restock is because I have been getting a tan lately for my cruise that I'm going on. So all my foundation shades and stuff don't even match me. So I got a darker concealer color, and I also got a darker foundation. The foundation I got is the Face Tape Tarte foundation. So it comes off of like the tape shape that I just purchased with the concealer, but this is in a foundation form. They came out with this a little bit a while ago. I just haven't got my hands on it yet, so I'm super excited to use this. It's supposed to be very full coverage and helps minimize your pores. It's supposed to be good for oily skin and all of that, so I'm super excited about that. And I did have to get a darker shade than usual in anything. I got Tan Deep Honey, so I'm excited to use this. The next thing I got, which is like my favorite purchase, I'm so excited to start using this, is the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. I don't know if y'all have seen this going around on the internet, but it's kind of been everywhere because everyone's obsessed with it. It's like the perfect palette for summertime, so I'm so excited to show y'all it. Golds and browns and bronzes, so I'm super excited to use this on my eyes. Thing I did purchase, y'all did not see in the video, me putting it in my hand. And then the last thing I did purchase, y'all did not see in the video, me putting it in my hand, because after I found out there's a 20% coupon, your girl went back and did some more shopping. Sponge Trio. Now y'all know I always use that red Morphe contour and blending beauty sponge, so this is made just like it, but this is a pink one. I mean, I know this is being a little extra, but I like pink a lot better than red. When I get right around my eyes, since I have and also the other reason I got this is because it comes with 2 mini ones and stuff. Since I have such small eyes, it's kind of hard just pushing this big old sponge up in there, so I figured this would be totally worth it. And then the other one I figured I could use for my liquid contour that I use right here, just to blend it out, because sometimes the sponge is just way too big, and when I blend it out it takes up way too much space on my cheeks. So I'm super excited to start using these. I'm sure it will totally change my makeup game. Ain't that rich, but it was a good amount. So that is all the purchases I made today at Ulta. Like I said, it wasn't gonna be like a whole ton of stuff that I bought just because your girl ain't that rich, but it was a good amount of stuff that I'm very excited to use. I have been wanting to get my hands on this stuff for a while. Everything I got is pretty much new stuff except for maybe the Shape Tape concealer. The foundation is not super new, but it's fairly new. I'll put it up in pretty much 2 videos. So I want to show you guys a vlog of just me shopping and the stuff that I bought. But my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys me applying and using all the stuff that I bought today. So if you're interested in seeing how the sponges work, or the foundation, concealer, and the eyeshadow palette works, then stay tuned for my next YouTube video. I will be posting things. I hope they're going to work out great, and I hope everyone on that video, I will be using all these new products, and you can see how all of them work. See if you want to do a shopping spree to Ulta and spend your money on these things. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please leave me some likes and comments down below. Do not forget to subscribe before you leave, so you would not miss out on any fun videos I do here on my channel, especially so you would not miss out on me using all the products that I bought today. And I will just see you guys in my next video.